to reset preferences. Clear media cache. Go to Edit, Preferences, Media and Disk Cache, and empty the cache. Initial troubleshooting steps. Reset After Effects preferences. Hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift on Windows, or Command plus Option plus Shift on Mac while launching After Effects. Three, disable home screen. Go to Edit, Preferences, General, and uncheck Enable Home Screen. Two, clear preferences. Hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift while launching After Effects. A dialog box should appear asking if you want to delete your preferences. Click OK. It seems to have worked. Adobe After Effects does not show any message this time. Now let's see if everything works or not. Everything is working properly.